Fact number 1. How many taste buds are on our tongues? There are tiny hairs that send messages to the brain about how something tastes, so you know if it's sweet, sour, bitter, or salty. The average person has about 10,000 taste buds, and they're replaced every 2 weeks or so. Number 2. Where did gin come from? The first confirmed date for the production of gin is the early 17th century in Holland, although claims have been made that it was produced prior to this in Italy. In Holland it was produced as a medicine and sold in chemist shops to treat stomach complaints, gout and gallstones. Number 3. Are raccoons related to bears? Raccoons are in the family Procyon, along with ringtails and coatis. The bear family and raccoon family are closely related. Red pandas, which are often called lesser pandas, are now put in the raccoon family. Number 4. How many countries have a McDonald's? McDonald's Corp. is the world's largest restaurant chain, with 34,480 restaurants in 119 countries. The burger chain has famously gone where few fast food chains have gone before as a symbol, for better or worse, of capitalism. Number 5. Which bird has the largest wingspan? The wandering albatross has the largest wingspan of any living bird, typically ranging from 2.51 to 3.5 meters, with a mean span of 3.1 meters in the Bird Island, South Georgia colony, and an average of exactly 3 meters in 123 birds measured off the coast of Malabar, New South Wales. Now you know these 5 random facts. You're welcome. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe or I will be sad.